Yeah, you realize that this is something that is way more important than just simply trying to figure out what you're applying to. And it's only when you come here that you actually understand what's going on.
Technology plays probably the most important role in defending ourselves.
You're seeing colleagues who are just like you. When you're working in wherever you are in the world, it's difficult to go and see people who you're not competing against, but people who are really your colleagues who share the same thing from around the world.
It's a fascinating bunch of people with such varied knowledge, but a complete dedication to their field of expertise and to use it for some good.
Over the last couple of years, I think it's become pretty apparent how important it is to step up, to innovate.
Share technology, share innovation, and just let our allies know that we're here to support them and we're behind them.
We're a team, but it's not really that we're a team. It's more like we have a common goal. And again, coming here to the accelerators has made that point.